If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to Just the Chords for all of our piano tutorial videos. Today we're talking about a really cool and common progression, the 1, 5, 6, 4, in the key of D. D is gonna be our 1. It's a capital Roman numeral, so it's a major chord. Give me a D, F sharp, A. That's our major 1 chord. We jump all the way up to our major 5 chord in the key of D, 5th scale degree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna build that off the A. It's major, A, C sharp, E. It's our capital 5 Roman numeral in the key of D. They want us to take that to then the minor 6. That's gonna be right next door, B being our 6th scale degree, but make it minor. B, D, F sharp. B, D, F sharp for our minor Roman numeral 6. Get to our 4th scale degree, right? Go down 2. We're gonna build it off G, and it's major again. G, B, D. That's our major 4 scale degree in the key of D. G major. In one hand, let's start on D. Give me 1 measure per chord. 2, 3, give it a 1, a 5, a 6, a 4. There's the 1, D, 5 on A. 6 is minor, 4 is major. Let's try it in both hands. D major starts. 1, 2, 3, rock it out. Here's that 1, 5. Next door for 6, it's minor, then a 4. Loop that around, have some fun with it, and then play on to our next chord tutorial video. Thanks.